Oh fuck, dude. Tilted. There you go. Yeah. Have we talked to Brian, bro? Have we talked to Brian Mata, bro? Have you talked to Brian Mata, bro? I know, yeah, I was talking to him too, bro. Play soccer? Dang, Atlanta right here, bro. Yeah, he's going to Mexico. Yeah. He's going to Mexico for this month and a half. Yeah. I told him like after we should hang out, after he comes back we should hang out. He was like, yeah, bro. I was like, alright, bet, let me know. They got a sniper. Yeah. What the fuck is a wolf doing here, bro? Where you at? Yeah. Watch out, cause I might kill you. You want a sniper? I don't want it. Oh, yo. Hey, right here. What should we do? Get that. Yeah. Let's go over here. Come on. Get mad. Are those grenades? Those are grenades. They're right here. Nice. Let's go back inside. Let me get the chest. I got you, ready? Come over here. Another nigga, bro. What the hell, for real? If he joins us, start. If he invites you, bro, let's talk shit. Like if he like invites us, if he invites you to the party, let's talk shit to him, bro. Just for fun, bro. It's probably some little ass kid, bro. Most likely. Yeah. On what? On Twitch or on Fortnite? Bro, we survived tilted again, bro. Let's go circle. Actually, let me load up this house right here. Where? Where? By the fucking shark, bro. What a dumbass. I'm gonna go loot. I'm gonna go loot the house. Hey, carry the flopper. Dude, another sniper. Hey, more minis. Get the minis, bro. I'm gonna go. Oh, yup. I got chicken legs. Or whatever that shit's called. Let's go zone. Let's just walk, cause it's not even that far. I think not, bro. I think we should just chill out. Bro, look at these wolves, bro. They're trying to attack me. What the fuck? Hey, people. I don't know. Right here, right here. Got him. Yeah, I got that guy. Fucking dumbass. Oh, now to get fucking shield again, bro. What the fuck? I'm not gonna use my minis though. Bro, what the fuck, dude? People southeast. He's heading over here. He's over here. He's over here, around here. Oh, let's go, dude. Where is he? Hit him with 26. Let's keep pushing a little bit. Oh, nice. Yeah. Dumbass dude. Now they're about to get it. Nice. Hold on. Oh, take that with you, bro. Take that with you. Alright, let's go. It's already ruined. Bro, good stuff. I got 250s and 5 minis and 1 flopper. How about you? Oh, nice. Yeah. We have 2 keys, bro, so we can probably hit up a balloon or something and get more loot. I only got a brick and metal, bro. I don't got no wood. I might start from your market, it's low key, you know. Oh, you appreciate it. Oh, we'll make it. I'm right here. There's more loot over here. I got 3 medkits, bro. In the loot. 3 medkits, 250s, and 5 minis, bro. We're big chilling. You want to use the medkit? Or save it? Alright. Let me close my window real quick again. Cover me. Let me close it. There we go. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Last one. Nice. Yeah. I know, yep. Fuck. I don't know. Behind us, I think. You might need to cover me, bro. Nice, dude. Oh, he got killed. Come over here. Come over here. Hey, heal up. Let's heal up. I'm right here. Knocked one. Got him. Yeah. I know. You chilling, bro. Fuck the loot, bro. Fuck the loot, bro. We healing up, bro. Alright, minis. I'ma loot up, bro. Alright, stay right here. I got you. I got more minis. People. Shit. 7 again. Can you snipe him? Somebody else killed him, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna heal up. Watch out, cause they might have something powerful. I need to heal up, bro. Come down here. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah. I'm healing up. No, what? From where? Oh my god, bro. What the fuck, dude? That's why you can climb in this game, bro. Yeah, bro. I forgot you can do that shit. That shit is fucking annoying.